I came to Vegas in 2005. Right behind me, you see a baseball field. That's where I'm most at home. My son plays baseball. I played baseball. I really enjoy the game. Nothing makes me happier than I'm watching my boy just cracking hits or making great plays in the field on the baseball diamond. So you may find me on the golf course too. That makes me extremely happy as well. I was a concrete contractor for 20 plus years. It's been a long time. Started out in San Diego doing waterproofing decorative concrete. Came to Vegas, did that for another few years. Ran my own construction company. I did tons of work. I did Fremont Street. I did the floor at Fremont Street, believe it or not. I did the MGM Pool Deck. I did Stratosphere Binions. Tons of restaurants, bars, homes, all throughout Vegas and San Diego, actually. 2014, I decided, you know what, I'm tired of working with other people. Even though I was an independent contractor, even though I was making my own hours, independently estimating and running these projects, I still wanted my own business. And at that time, I felt real estate was where I wanted to go, and I was right. My years of construction experience, building, understanding contractors, construction, the city, permits, all that really comes together when it comes to working with buyers and sellers in real estate. And I just absolutely love helping people here in Vegas buy and sell real estate. So that's what brought me into real estate, was really to, I've always been in service, whether it was to the contractors that I work with on these projects in my past, whether it was a homeowner that I worked with to beautify their home, whether it was an interior concrete coating, whether it was working with them on their pool decks, whatever the case was. I've always been in service, and that's why real estate and being a real estate agent was right up my alley. So that's a little bit of my story. That's about that much of it.